My people, for hospital they tell you say your PCV don low. That means your blood e don reduce for body, and you sef if you dey waka for road e be like wetin breeze na im dey give you direction. You dey go here, you dey go here, your leg no dey stable for ground. In fact, just use the direction, the thing wey I wan tell you for this video, so that you no go waste money if they tell you for hospital say your PCV low. That means your blood e don low. So wetin you go use, the secret thing wey you fit use wey be say you no go spend money throway to improve and boost your blood again for body, wey be say you can't look like person, you can't look like better human being. You understand? Na e be this thing wey dey up so, dried plantain leaf. I don fit talk about am before. I dey remind you again, if you be say your blood don, they say you say e don low, you no get blood for body again, this dry plantain leaf e go come to your rescue. If you know, you know. Just get this dry plantain leaf instead of go dey buy blood medicine wey you come dey spend thousands and thousands of naira for on. Just get this dried plantain leaf so just go pluck am, whether na for adult or whether na for children. Just get the, if in fact you fit even check among your children how they dey feel. The one wey you just feel say e no dey well, get this dry plantain leaf for am. Just pluck am, put am for basin, wash am, put am for pot, put water, boil am. As e boil, bring am come down, let am cool down. Make all your children drink, make you drink as an adult. You go see within how many days you see say everybody will come dey shine for the family. That means your blood don come back. You understand? Your blood level don increase. And when you go do that PCV test again for hospital or for any lab, you see say your blood level don dey enough for your body, and you go see how I seen this miracle wey this plantain leaf do for you. So just try am out for yourself and your children. You go even dey complain say you dey take medicine, you no dey well. You don check your blood, you wey dey watch this video, so go check your blood level, because if you no get enough blood for body, medicine no fit work for your body. Go check your blood, and the description and everything wey I tell you for this video, make you use am, make you come thank me later. Now this one I say make I tell you, I go soon for another video. And abeg, make una dey like and share this video, e go help reach more people. Abeg, make una dey share this video. Now bye bye.